Hail to the Sun God, Helios. Happy Summer Solstice. Hi everyone, it's Georgina, your friendly witch. I just want to show you guys this box that came in the mail for the first time. This is the first time I get this box, and I want to open it with all of you. I want all of you to experience the Goddess Provisions box. It's a small box. The price is not bad. The price is like $33, something like that. It's in the $30. And so this is the box. Wiggly worms. Radiant your love, your light. Radiant your light. So this is a card. Oh, this is a cheat sheet. Solar energy. Okay, so this is for the summer solstice. This box is the summer solstice box. Okay. All right. The littles. 10 superfood blend pockets. Oh, this is superfood. Healthy looks good on you. Oh my God, what is this? How am I gonna open this? Can you see well? Because, oh. Okay, this is what? Is this like to drink? I have to see. We believe food is source of exclusive. I never seen this before, so I don't know what this do. I think it's supposed to be diluted with water. I think. Okay. Solar radiant. Can you see? Well, I don't know. I feel like I'm not moving. Solar radiant. Brass bookmark. Oh, I love them. Oh, how nice. How nice. Que lindo. And the envelope is so cool. It's so nice. I'm saving it. Que chulo, que chulería. And we got I guess this is like a bath bomb. Lemon, orange, yin yang, and rosemary. Uplift, rise, awaken. Ingredients. This is a bath bomb. Oh, nice. I got something. I think this is fluoride. Let's see. I think this is fluoride. Let me see. Is it fluoride? Okay. I think so. Que linda. Sorry about my nails, but I'm a very busy woman in a all day. Okay. Oh my God, que lindo. It's like chain, que hermosa. Look at this, you guys. Oh. To care for you, necklace avoids submerging in water and cleaned with soft cloth made from a 14-karat gold plated stainless steel. Ay, qué lindo. Wait, hold on. Can you see what I'm doing? I don't see, because this camera is just so gorgeous. Look how nice. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can you see better now? I just hope you can. Gorgeous. Very nice. What do we have here? I'm gonna leave this for last. Let's see what's this. Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Elixir. Qué lindo. Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive. Qué lindo. Look at this, guys. How beautiful. Nice. Oh, I got another one. This has to be fluorite. I don't know. It kind of looks like fluorite to me. Sorry about my nails, they're dirty. I was doing the garden today. And let's see what's in here. This is the last item. Ay, Dios mío, ¿qué será esto? Goddess Provision. Ay, Goddess Provision, qué chulería. Goddess Provision. Ay, qué linda. Me encanta. This is gorgeous. Shine bright. Shine bright tonight. Tonight. Beautiful like diamonds in the sky. I love it. It's gorgeous. So this is it, you guys. The Goddess Provision. Sorry, my nose. Oh, I love this. And I love this too. This is the cheat sheet. Goddess Provision. Yay! Goddess Provision is nice. Thank you, guys. Okay, this is the cheat sheet. Cheat sheet. So we start with the necklace that is gorgeous. Channel positive and the lesson of the sun into your life with this 14 karat gold plated stainless steel necklace. And then this is Earth Harbor Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. Nourish and revitalize hair with this sweet smelling blend of seaweed, coconut jasmine, calendula, carrot, and jojoba oils. It's value of $30 over. Ay, virgen, ¿cómo va a ser? Pero ¿cómo que es esto? Goddess Provision. Okay, so the next one is the little envelopes. Okay, so this is called Apothecary Co Blew Me Away. Co Blew Me Away. A natural blend of blue matcha and Siberian ginseng for a caffeine-free energy boost and cognitive clarifier. Comes with 10 servings and pairs well with the nut milks or in your morning smoothie. All right, I'm gonna get me some nut milk now because I have this and I want to try it. I like almond milk. That's my favorite. Golden Ray spoon. Ah, I love this spoon. It's gorgeous. Qué bella, qué linda. Perfect for measuring tea or using in rituals, this golden spoon can help you scoop a little sunshine in your day. Valued at $16. Solar Radiant Bookmark. Ay, qué lindo. This is beautiful. Hold your spot in your latest read or your yearly planner with this Sunny Brass bookmark. $12 value. All right. Goddess Provision. Okay, so the rocks are prehnite. It has an age. I guess it's silent. Prehnite. Channel love into your life with this water-safe stone and help to unblock your heart and solar plexus chakras. Place this compassionate crystal by your bed for sweet dreams. Valued at $5. Where is it 6? I think it's beautiful. Thank you so much, Goddess Provision, for sending me this for free. Yeah, right. I paid 33. I think it was 33. I don't know. I really enjoy this. This is very nice. I love it. For the price, I think it's perfect. It's beautiful. Thank you, Goddess Provision.